Very good morning, students. Come to exercise 7C on page number 52 in your mathematics book. So, today we are going to start with word problems. See question number 1. Shan's mother spends 480 minutes at her clinic. Okay, she is a doctor. So, she spends 480 minutes at her clinic. How many hours does she spend at her clinic? You know, students, hours and minutes are related to each other. Right now there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so we have to calculate the number of hours that she spent in her clinic. So how we will do this? First of all, open up your notebook, mention today's date, write exercise 7C. Now students, first of all we should understand the meaning of the question, and plus we should write the statement. Okay, so first of all, see the first line. Shan's mother spends 480 minutes at her clinic. So what you will write? You will write Shan's mother spends time at her clinic is equals to 480 minutes. Okay, now we need to find out the number of hours. So what we will write, students? We will write, we know 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, right? Is equals to 1 hour. So how many hours will be there in 480 minutes? So what we will write? We will write, so 480 minutes will be equals to how many hours? We will get it by division. 480 divided by 60 minutes, then we will get hours. Right? Now students, what we have to do? See this, 10 and 10, they both are cancelled. So what it will become? 48 divided by 6. What it will become? It will become 8. So after division, you all know this thing, na? So we will write the final answer as Shan's mother. Read the last line. How many hours did she spend at her clinic? So what you will write? You will write Shan's mother spends 8 hours in her clinic. Got the answer now? Now read question number 2. See it here. My favorite TV show is 2100 seconds long. Okay. How much time is that in minutes? So what you will do? In this question, it is very simple. It is like the same. You know, we have to convert it into the minutes. So what you have to do? You will divide 2100 seconds with 60. Okay, now let's do this question in our notebook. Write question number 2. So here we will take duration meaning क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, कि कितने टाइम तक शो चलता है. ठीक है, सो ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टीवी शो इज इक्वल्स टू, okay. Now how much time is that in minutes? So we will write, we know 60 seconds are there in 1 minute. So how many seconds, how many minutes will be equals to 2100 seconds? So what we will write here is equals to divided by 60 minutes. Now cancel this 0 with this 0. ये मैंने समझाया था आपको लास्ट टाइम. सॉरी, ये एंगल अब ठीक है ना. सी फर्स्टली वी हैव रिटन 60 सेकेंड्स इक्वल्स टू 1 मिनट. सो आपको बताना है कि 2100 सेकेंड्स कितने मिनट्स के इक्वल होंगे. तो व्हाट यू विल डू हियर, यू विल डिवाइड दिस सेकेंड बाय 60. ओके, सो अब इस वाले 0 से ये वाला 0 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आपको पता है. नाउ द नंबर रिमेनिंग इज 210. So we will check the division 210 with 6. You can do this here also. यहीं पर करेंगे हम इसको. 6 divided by 210. Now read the table. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. We'll write 6 3s are 18. So after subtraction, what we will get? We will get 8, 9, 10, 11. Then copy down 0. 6 5s are 30. What you have got here? So we have written 35. So you will write TV show is 35 minutes. Okay, TV show is 35 minutes long. You can also change the language if you want, but if you don't want, then you can write the same language. Okay, I hope this question is also clear. Now try question number 3 yourself. See question number 3. A sadhu on a vow of silence. आपको पता है ना स्टूडेंट्स, साधु लोग समाधि ले लेते हैं या फिर एक व्रत ले लेते हैं, मौन व्रत टाइप, है ना. A sadhu on a vow of silence did not speak for 7,200 hours. वो इतनी देर तक वो बात नहीं करता है. How much time is that in days? अब आपको पता है ना 1 डे में कितने आवर्स होते हैं? 24 आवर्स होते हैं. So what you will do? You will divide this hours by 24. How? Let's see. You will write a sadhu did not speak for hours. Okay, now how much time is that in days? So you will write, we know that, क्या पता है हमें कि 24 hours होते हैं 1 day में. ओके, सो आपको बताना है कि इतने hours कितने days के इक्वल होंगे. So what you will do? We will write 7,200 hours will be equals to divided by 24 days, है ना. जिसको हम चेंज करना चाहते हैं वो इधर रखेंगे और जिसमें हमें इसको बताना है we will write it on the right hand side. The formula is very simple. जब आपको मिनट से सेकंड में जाना हो तो आप 60 का यूज़ करेंगे. जब आपको आवर्स से डेज बनाने हो तो आप 24 का यूज़ करेंगे, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि 1 डे में कितने आवर्स होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? 24. सो व्हाट यू विल डू नाउ? नाउ यू विल डिवाइड 24 विद 7,200. रीड द टेबल ऑफ 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 होता है ना, तो 2 3s are 6 चल जाना चाहिए. क्या करेंगे? वी विल चेक विद 24 3s are 4 3s are 12, 1 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So 24 3s are will be 72. Now it has become 0. So what will happen? Now these two zeros will be shifted here. Okay, so our answer will be a sadhu did not speak for 300 days. I hope this question is clear to you. Now come to question number 4. 3,527 party caps were to be packed in a boxes. In boxes. कितने number of caps हैं? इतना 3,527. If 64 caps were packed in each box. In each box मतलब one box में कितने caps pack हो जाती हैं? 64. How many boxes were used? अब आपको बताना है कि इतनी सारी caps को पैक करने के लिए कितने सारे boxes की ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है. And after packing, how many caps were left over? So how we will do this question? See it here. We will write total number of party cap 3,527. Now in each box number of caps packed in one box. One box में कितनी caps packed हो जाती हैं? It is written 64. Okay, now we have to calculate the number of boxes. Okay, so number of boxes required, है ना, नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस रिक्वायर्ड, कितने बॉक्सेस हमें इतनी कैप को पैक करने के लिए ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. तो वी विल राइट डिवाइडेड बाय 64. ओके, क्योंकि आपको क्या निकालने हैं, नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस बताने हैं. सो द क्वेश्चन इज रेडी नाउ. 64 वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट. नाउ रीड द टेबल ऑफ सिट्स below 35. read it. It will become 6 5s are 30 na. Now multiply 64 with 5. 5 4s are 22. 6 5s are 30. 31 32. It will become 320. So we will write 64 5s are 320 here. The division is simple na. 5 में से 2 3. Now the number is small, therefore we will copy 7. Again check it out. Again the number is 6 5s are 30 चलेगा. क्या करेंगे, 64 5s are again. 64 5s are will be 320. Now what we have got? We have got 55 as the quotient and remainder will be 7. Now what we have to do? So students, in this question we have to remember one thing, that this value, this is the quotient. This value is known as the number of boxes. ये क्या बताएगा हमें, कितने boxes हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. और ये रिमाइंडर का मतलब होता है जो रह गया है ना. क्या रह गया हमारे पास, 7 रह गया. इट मीन्स हमारे पास 7 कैप्स जो हैं वो बच जाएंगी, है ना. आपके पास क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा हुआ है, देखिए आपके पास यहाँ पे 2 पार्ट पूछे हुए हैं. देखिए, हाउ मैनी बॉक्सेस नंबर बताना है और हाउ मैनी कैप्स वर लेफ्ट ओवर. सो यू विल राइट number of boxes required. You will required number of boxes required is 55 and what you will write, 7 caps are left over. left over मतलब जो छूट रही हैं. समझ आ रही है, सभी को समझ आ गया ये वाला क्वेश्चन. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. Now come to question number 5. Now read question number 5. 15,408 kg of wheat was distributed equally among the families of a village. ठीक है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ wheat कितना है, कितने kg ऑफ wheat है जो टोटल wheat आया हुआ है, that is 15,408. If each family, मतलब one family को कितना wheat मिलता है, 36. So you need to calculate the number of families there in a village. How many families were there in the village? So we will write amount of wheat to be distributed this and the amount of wheat one family got. Okay, now write it. Okay, amount of wheat to be distributed 15,408 kg. Now each family got 36 kg of wheat. So we will write amount of wheat each family got will be 36 kg. Now we have to calculate the number of families there in the village. How we will calculate? By dividing by this number. Okay, so now divide it 36 with, this is very clear na, 3 5s are 15, so we will check 36 with 5s are. But it is not possible, therefore we need to apply 36 4s are, that is 144. So it will become like this. Now we will note down 0 here. Now 3 3s are 9 is possible na. Now check with 36 3s are 108. It is again bigger. Now check with 36 2s are 72. So we will write 36 2s are 72 here. Now it will become 9 and it will become 10 after borrowing. 10 minus 2 is, it will become 8 and 9 minus 7 is 2, है ना. Now note down 8 here. Now check the table. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Now check 36 with 9s are. But you know 36 9s are is 324, which is greater. Now we have come one number down, that is 36 8s are, and after calculating we have got 288. So we will write 36 8s are 288. Now it will become 0. So our answer is 468. But one mistake which I have done here is, we have to write here 2s are, बिकॉज हमने सेकेंड में क्या चलाया है 36 टूज़ा 36 टूज़ा चलाया है ना हमने 72. सो बाय मिस्टेक आई हैव रिटन 6 हियर. सो यू विल check it. You will write here 36 twos. Okay, rest of the question is clear. I hope it is clear to you. Now the number of families will be 428. So you will write number of families in the village is 428. I hope the question is clear to you. Okay, please check it out and make it clear. It is 2. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.